Do you want to be featured on Kenchi School?
Kenchi School.
Hello and welcome back to Kenchi School. Today's video is a collaboration video with one of my sweetest crafty friend, Aya. Here is Aya's Instagram profile. She is a card maker, a resin artist, a mixed media artist and much more. I love the whimsy she brings to her projects and would encourage you to follow Aya to bring vibrance into your life. She also has a YouTube channel and you can find the link to her YouTube channel in her bio as well as in the description box down below. And you'll notice that all her videos are in English as well as Urdu. You can find the link to Aya's Instagram and YouTube in the description box below. She usually has a video for most of her projects and you can find other helpful videos like craft organization and other little knickknacks for crafting. Here are the images of few of her projects which I really admire and adore. The only thing common in all her projects are the vibrance and the colorful backgrounds and all the fun that she gets into her different kind of art forms. For this collaboration video, Aya has created this beautiful and cute lawn fawn window card and you can head out to her channel to check out the entire process. Now let's look into the project I have created for you today. Today we'll be creating a pop-up box relaxing birthday card using all lawn fawn products. Let's look into the lawn fawn stamps that we will be using today. You can check out your screen for all the names and I'll be pointing out to the elements that I'll be using from each stamp set. I am going to first color all the elements with my alcohol markers. I had colored these on day 4 and 5 I believe as a part of my daily marker 30-day challenge that is organized by Cathy. You can check the other 30-day challenge posts on my Instagram. If you would like to skip this coloring process, please go to the timestamp shown on your screen right now. For creating the pop-up box, I am using the Lawn Fawn Scalloped pop-up box die. I have die cut the main body and sleeves out of yellow cardstock and scored them at the proper places. I have also die cut the panels for the outer side of the pop-up box with the super rainbow paper from Fawn Really Rainbow Petite paper pack. And for the panels being used on the inside, I am creating a sunset beach scene using Distress Oxide inks. You can find the details of the inks being used for each panel on your screen. After ink blending on each panel, I also splattered some ink with my brush using the darkest color. Further, I am die cutting from the inked panels to create my sunset scene. Continuing the same process of ink blending for my sandy beach as well. Adding my sandy beach panels to the die cut sleeves, I have made 4 of such panels. Out of 4, 3 are going to be the sandy beaches and 1 of them is going to be the ocean. While sticking my panels, I have made sure that each panel is at a higher height than the one which is in front of it so that everyone gets good visibility. Now I am starting to build my entire box. Now I won't be explaining the entire process as it is pretty self-explanatory in the video. But I would like to mention that I have used some double-sided tacky tape on the edges of the sleeves to adhere it to the box because you need a strong adhesive to make sure your box is sturdy. Now I am combining all the small elements to build the characters of my card. For this process I am using just normal liquid glue so that I get some fraction of time to adjust in case I make a mistake, and if some glue oozes out, as you can see over here, you can just get it off with a tissue paper. I just use my hand because I'm a messy person. This is my most favorite part, that is building the card. Adding the panels on the inside of the pop-up box from the same Fawn Really Rainbow Petite paper pack. This time I used the stripy pink paper. For the sentiment, I'm using the Lawn Fawn Happy Birthday border die. I have die cut it from a blue cardstock to go with the color scheme of my card. I am using my new VR Memory Keeper's quick stick tool to remove the die cut from the die and remove the little loop from my die cut. That was a tongue twister. From the border die, I will use only the words happy birthday and cut off the words to you because it did not fit on the panel entirely, and I think just happy birthday works here. I'm building the card further by adding my more little elements here and there on the other flaps. On the outer panel, I am using the remaining elements to add a continuity of the theme from the inside on the outside. Adding some glossy accents on a few of the elements to add more texture and dimension. Finally added a loopy lawn fawn twine that comes in their packaging to complete the card. Here is a look of the final product. I am going to write my message on the back here. One cannot give a card without an envelope, and I had to make an interesting envelope for this interesting card. I am using the VR Memory Keeper's envelope punch board to create my custom sized card. This is an amazing tool and you can create envelopes for any card sizes, referring to the dimensions and instructions written on the tool itself. The paper that I'm using here is from the Maggie Holmes design line of grade paper called Shine, and this is from the 12 by 12 pack. To make the envelope even more interesting, I'm adding some foil stickers from Rosie Studio foil statement pad to enhance the envelope. Here are a few images of my card. Be sure to check Aya's card from the link in the description box below. If you liked this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and do provide your feedback in the comment section down below. For more fun videos, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Here are a few other videos which may interest you. Keep crafting!